Time management magic. Ace your Cambridge English exam. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most crucial skills you can hone for your Cambridge English exam, or any exam. Really, time management. By mastering this skill, you can ensure you get through every question without feeling rushed and give each section the attention it deserves. Let's get started. Before you can effectively manage your time, you need to understand the structure of the Cambridge English exam. This will allow you to know how much time you have for each section. Reading and use of English, 1 hour 15 minutes. Writing, 1 hour 20 minutes. Listening, about 40 minutes. Speaking, 14 to 17 minutes. Remember, these timings are approximate and can vary depending on the specific exam you're taking. Familiarize yourself with the specific exam you're taking in advance. Skim before you deep dive. When beginning a section, quickly skim through the questions. This will give you a sense of which questions you find easier and which ones might require more time. Answer easy questions first. This ensures you bag those marks early on. Don't get stuck. If you find a question challenging, move on and come back to it later if time allows. Set milestones for yourself. If you're in the reading section, which is 75 minutes long, you might decide you want to spend first 10 minutes skimming through and answering easier questions. Next 50 minutes answering remaining questions. Last 15 minutes reviewing answers and addressing any skipped questions. Remember, these are just suggested breakdowns. Adjust as you see fit. There's an old saying, practice makes perfect. Taking mock tests in real-time conditions can immensely help in gauging how much time you typically need, identifying areas where you tend to spend more time than necessary, helping you get accustomed to the exam's pacing. This might seem obvious, but it's vital. When you're anxious, decision-making ability gets hampered. You might misread or misinterpret questions. Take deep breaths, stay hydrated, and remember that time management is a skill. The more you practice, the better you get. Time management is the secret sauce to acing any exam. It allows you to optimize your focus and ensures that every minute counts. We hope these strategies empower you to approach your Cambridge English exam with confidence and calm. Remember, with the right strategy and ample practice, you've got this. All the best, and happy learning!